Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Then, we draw a small curve. And then draw a straight line, like that. Now we draw airplane first wings. Then we draw backside wings, one by another. Now to draw a big curved line to finishing the body. We draw last wings of the airplane. We draw a curved line. We draw last wings of airplane. We draw some small circle to draw the window of the airplane. An airplane is a large, flying vehicle. It has wings that help it fly. Airplanes need engines to move. They travel through the sky. Many people travel in airplanes. Airplanes carry cargo too. There are different types of airplanes. Passenger planes carry people. Cargo planes carry goods. Fighter planes are used by the military. Now it's time to coloring. We color it very carefully. On the body part of the airplane, we use red color. Airplanes have a cockpit for the pilot. They have a fuselage, which is the main body. The wings help the plane lift off the ground. An airplane needs fuel to fly. The Wright brothers invented the first airplane. Airports are places where airplanes take off and land. Airplanes make travel much faster. It's exciting to watch an airplane take off. Some airplanes have multiple engines. Airplanes make the world feel smaller. Red color. Now we color the wings with sky blue color. Blue color. Blue color. Color the windows with yellow color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.